Another great Monday morning here at Ace. Hope you guys have a great week ahead of you as well. Okay, we're going to talk this week about our production capabilities here. So you'll have to bear with us a little bit. Slime will be a little loud in this video due to the shop noise. We're also going to try and get over to Adam's family-owned business to take a look at their capabilities, where this all started, and some of the OEM parts that they produce. Let's do it.
Following up on some of our equipment that we do in-house. This is one of our machining centers. And if you take a look in right now here, this is machining high lift foot mounts. This specific one is, I believe, is the JK. Right now it's center drilling and drilling the mounting locations over there on the far right. So that's a tool changer right there. So coming in with the drill right now after it's been center drilled, coolant's running, and now it's going to plunge all the holes and drill the mounting locations. Alright, so this is one of our smaller high-speed machines. We do a lot of aluminum here and high-speed parts. You know, the spindle can run a lot faster, but it's currently running the lava jacket connection ring. So it goes in as a blink, and then it's machining all the snap grooves and the O-ring grooves. Alright, so we're here at the Kia turn. So this is a lathe, basically, horizontal machining. So right now we're running, you can see this is the blank that's in the chuck right now, the turret. And we're machining this out, and this is actually the standalone tire carrier. This is one of the joints. So after this is drilled, you can see the reamers in here, and it reams, so we have a tight tolerance for our standalone tire carrier swivel point. Let's run that baby. Get careful, it's misting. It's facing now. The next operation will be so missing. Now it's going to come down. Center drill. Drilling. Can you get in there or no? Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
All right. There you go. Turn the coolant off for a second so you can see it's drilling. Turn the coolant back on here for a second. Get a little further in the operation. So it's plunging all the way through, so it'll get basically all the way through like that.
Alright, just putting the finishing touches on an announcement email for our standalone slant back kit. We showed you this last week. Converts our standalone tire carrier into a slant back carrier. It's available now on our website, so make sure you go check that out.
This is a hide mesh saw, so basically our long bar comes in. Usually when we develop length, if we're bending rock rails, it comes in to develop length. But we'll have long bar and make shorter components. So after you load the material in, you program the cut length, and it's automated saw. So it feeds it forward, it'll cut it, feed it forward, cut it. So we can get this developed length. This particular item is a standoff for the rock rails. This is part of the mounting connection. We're at the AccuPress now. This is where basically everything's cut into blanks. We do all our forming. And right now we're running, these are actually mounts for the B-pillar for cube lights. Nice. All right, so another fun toy in the shop is our high-def plasma table. It's an AccuCut table with hypertherm controls. Cutting some thinner gauge material actually right now. You might want to look through the glasses so you don't hurt your eyes.
I hear Adam's in the garage making some modifications to his favorite new vehicle, the ProMaster City. So let's go make fun of this thing.
Open the training van here.
It's called the Iron Van. Nothing, just getting the second bike mount in. I got the coffee maker all running, everything's done.
Coffee maker, talk to me about this. What we got here?
I just got the inverter finally powered up. Everything was running. I just made it. It's getting mounted right here. The coffee maker will be right in that area. I got a race this weekend, so I have to be able to take a buddy of mine and his bike. So we're gonna mount this in there, and it should be good. See the rock lights? Huh? Rock lights mounted in there. Epic lighting.
Do we have a build sheet on this vehicle? Some rock lights, dual bike mount, goo area,
Yeah, that's all up here.
helmets, coffee storage,
Water.
coffee makers
Water
going
down
in. We got some water.
Don't you worry, Ellis.
Quite a bill, quite a bill.
Shut up.
Iron Van coffee. Oh, it works good too. It's got a little bit of room there. Better tasting than regular
Oh, absolutely.
coffee.
Van coffee is a lot better than regular coffee.
Tasty.
Good van coffee.
All right, headed over to Adam's office. We got to book our flights to Jeep Beach. We are a little bit late on this, but we'll get it done.
All right, we booked.
Booked. G Beach bound. Thursday to Sunday.
It's on the calendar, so.
It's gotta happen. So this is a full CNC bender. This is where we bend our rock rail. So right here you can see a pile of finished rock rails, and here's what it looks like before we put it in the bender. So the material comes in at an established cut length, which is here. So we got two loaded in. And what happens is basically the clamp dies come in. It sets a developed length, bends, feeds forward, and bends. This is very cool stuff. Now it's going to feed forward all the way down to the next bend. Boom! Got a rock right.
Okay, headed over to Alternative Components, Adam's family-owned business, and we're going to show you some really cool OEM stuff.
All right, so we're here at Alternative Components, the family-owned business, and there's a lot of fun stuff. So I kind of want to walk you around, show you different equipment and our capabilities that we do. I'll probably nerd out on a little bit of this, but it's a lot of fun stuff. So this particular machine right here, every JK that's on the road, the lower core support, if you look in the bottom of your grill where the grill snaps against, is this part. It's a raw tube that comes in and it goes through a two-stage operation, and it's pierced and pressed. And when it comes out, it looks like this. So this is another part. We'll walk through the operation, but this is the upper core support. So basically, on your JK, where the hood comes down and latches to, this is the area. So your headlight's here and here. If you pop your hood, you'll see this, and the hood comes down and latches in this area. So every JK that's on the road since the launch of the platform in 2007, we've manufactured the upper and lower. All right, so today we're going to walk you through the cell for the JK upper core support. And it starts with some raw material that comes in shaped like this, and it's cut to length basically. So a lot of raw material comes in over here. A 3-series hole punch operation. Rotation. After rotation, it comes out like this. So it's got all the pierce holes and location. And again, you know, when you kind of look at this, this is the front of the vehicle, and that's where our hood latch is. It loads the material into the bender. This is the first bend. After that cycles, calculates the bend. Goes back to hold position, pulls the board, sets it to stop, and now that's the second bend. This operation is a free-form and a final form and trim operation. So it goes through two stages. The fresh part comes off the bender, and it's free-form, and in the second stage, form and trim. So watch when it comes back down. Press it down, cycle, free-form, the second stage, first after the second, so this is after the second form trim operation, the free-form final trim. So it's final form and trim operation. Next operation is a burr removal. Final check picture here. It's a little rotate, make sure all the holes are in the right location. So we verified that on the check here. Through all the operations, now it goes out to E-coat, and this is a whole lot of JK. So that's the upper core support for the JK. Typically there's about 5,200 pieces a week we've made since about 2007, since the launch of the platform.
All right, that's all we have for this week. Hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about our production capabilities here. As always, like, share, comment below, let us know what you want to see, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and check us out next week. We're going to talk about some of our sponsored Jeeps. Peace!
Don't move. Tigers game's on.
Stay right there, don't move. You're helping.
Why would I sit down? Why?
I know.